Just put all the fish in there about half an hour ago, and I noticed they just swam up that waterfall. That one just went down. I can't believe that they swum up, but they swum up and it's a dead end because all the rocks are sort of holding that water back. Just going to wait and see if I can see another one swim up. That one just jumped over the rocks into the top pool. That's really quite amazing. It's not what I expected. I put the barrier at the top of the waterfall just so the tadpoles wouldn't swim down. I didn't expect the fish to come up and jump over the waterfall. Quite a few guppies gathered in the bottom corner, ready to have an attempt to swim up. There's no way of unblocking it for them to swim straight into the pool at the top, because I've got it raised up a bit so the water overflowed in this other waterfall. So I'm not sure what I can do with it. I suppose I'll get sick of trying to climb up there, swim up there. That one went up with total ease. That little one stuck on the thing. I hope he hurries up. He went back down. happy with the way the pond turned out. I built this back of the pond at this top so the dirt doesn't wash in when it rains. And I found it's so easy to walk around to the other side now to fix up the pots and that. It's not slippery, it's really grippy. Before I was walking around in the mud and it was a bit hard. There's so many baby fish in this pond too. Everywhere you look there's just dozens of them. When I took all the weed out, they must have been amongst all the weed. But there's literally hundreds of fish in here. It should be no problem because they're going to constantly get fed all the time. So it's not like they're going to starve. I've got plenty of weed in there. And like I said, in a few weeks the algae will start growing. And I'll have algae to eat. That one just went up before with so much ease. Never expected them to go up there. This other waterfall, the water's going completely over the whole surface, which is really good. But it's not enough for the fish to swim up it. The water's just going over evenly over the whole rock. There's quite a few fish just there. But that section there is really still the water, but the hose goes, the pump from the pump goes under that there, and then it comes up out of the gravel, and then it comes backwards towards the waterfall. You can see there's some tadpoles just down in there. Got a little like white on their heads, makes them easier to see. These fish have only been in here half an hour and they've already made a new path. Suppose when they get hungry they'll come back down. It's just an update on me fish. I really found it surprising that they went up the waterfall. So this is Steve living in Thailand with my wife Noy. So thank you for watching.